I'm sure you've seen the title. You can earn $720 a day using Canva. Ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into a profitable business? Today, we're diving into the world of online business, and I'm going to show you how you can leverage this simple tool to potentially earn a substantial income. You might be thinking $720 a day from Canva? That sounds too good to be true. And you know what? You're right to be skeptical. There's no magic button to instant riches, and these businesses will require effort, dedication, and a bit of hustle. But the potential is there, and I'm going to break it all down for you. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, become your own boss, and unlock your financial freedom, stick around because this video is for you. We're about to unlock the power of Canva and explore 5 easy-to-start businesses that could change your life. Let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money with Canva. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with social media management. Now, you've probably heard me talk about this before. It's a booming industry with endless potential. Businesses are constantly looking for people who can create engaging content, manage their social media presence, and grow their audience. That's where you come in, armed with the power of Canva. Canva makes social media management a breeze. You can create stunning graphics, eye-catching videos, and even schedule your posts in advance. Think about it, small businesses are often too busy running their operations to worry about crafting the perfect Instagram post or scheduling a week's worth of tweets. That's where you step in, offering your services as a social media manager. With Canva, you can create templates for different types of posts, ensuring brand consistency for your clients. You can design Instagram stories that pop, Facebook posts that get engagement, and even YouTube thumbnails that draw viewers in. And the best part, you don't need any fancy design skills. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking content. But it's not just about creating pretty pictures. Canva also offers tools to help you schedule your posts, analyze your performance, and manage multiple accounts seamlessly. Imagine being able to offer your clients a complete social media management package from content creation to performance tracking, all powered by Canva. Now let's talk about the earning potential. Depending on your experience, the number of clients you manage, and the services you offer, you could easily charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month per client. That's right, just a handful of clients could have you well on your way to that $720 a day goal. So, if you're organized, creative, and love all things social media, this could be the perfect Canva business for you. Now let's move on to a business model that allows you to tap into your inner designer and sell physical products without ever holding inventory. Print on demand. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and build a brand around your designs. Here's how it works. You create unique designs using Canva. Think t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. The possibilities are endless. And then you partner with a print-on-demand service. These services handle everything from printing to shipping, so you can focus on what you do best: designing. Canva makes it incredibly easy to create stunning designs for print-on-demand products. They have thousands of templates, graphics, and fonts to get you started. You can even upload your own images and illustrations to create truly unique pieces. Once you've created your designs, you simply upload them to your chosen print-on-demand platform, set your prices, and start selling. You can create your own online store, sell on marketplaces like Etsy, or even promote your products on social media. The beauty of print on demand is that you only pay for the products when a customer places an order. No need to invest in inventory upfront, which significantly reduces your risk. Plus, you can experiment with different designs and products to see what resonates with your target audience. Now let's talk numbers. A single t-shirt sale can net you a profit of $5 to $10 or more, depending on your pricing and the print-on-demand service you use. Imagine selling just 10 t-shirts a day. That's $50 to $100 in daily profit. Scale that up with more designs, products, and marketing efforts, and you can see how quickly this can add up. So, if you have an eye for design, love the idea of selling physical products, and want a low-risk business model, print-on-demand with Canva might be your perfect match. Now let's talk about a business idea that can turn your design hobby into a lucrative career: freelance graphic design. You might be thinking, but Graham, I'm not a professional designer. And you know what? That's perfectly fine. With Canva, you don't need years of experience or a fancy design degree to start offering your services. Think about it. Businesses are constantly in need of flyers, brochures, social media graphics, logos, and all sorts of visual content. Many of them don't have the budget to hire a full-time designer or the time to create these materials themselves. That's where you come in, offering your skills as a freelance graphic designer. Canva provides you with all the tools you need to create professional-looking designs, even if you're a complete beginner. Their intuitive interface, pre-made templates, and vast library of design elements make it easy to create high-quality graphics for any purpose. Start by building a portfolio of your work. You can use Canva to create mock-ups of different design projects, such as social media posts, website banners, or even logos. Once you have a solid portfolio, you can start offering your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even through your own website. When setting your rates, consider your experience level, the complexity of the project, and the going market rates. As a beginner, you might start with lower prices to attract clients and build your portfolio. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Freelance graphic design offers incredible flexibility and earning potential. You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, and choose the projects you want to work on. Plus, the demand for skilled graphic designers is only increasing, making it a future-proof career choice. So if you have an eye for design, enjoy working independently, and want to be your own boss, freelance graphic design with Canva could be your ticket to financial freedom. Now let's move on to a business model that has the potential to generate passive income while you sleep, creating and selling digital products. This is all about leveraging your knowledge and Canva's design capabilities to create valuable resources that people are willing to pay for. Think about it. What are some things people are constantly searching for online? It could be anything from printable planners and workbooks to social media templates and even customizable resumes. These are all digital products you can easily create using Canva and sell repeatedly without any additional effort after the initial creation. Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements specifically for creating digital products. You can design beautiful ebooks, workbooks, checklists, planners, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless, and the best part is that once you've created these products, you can sell them over and over again. You can sell your digital products through various platforms, such as your own website, Etsy, Creative Market, or even through social media. You can also create email lists and offer your digital products as lead magnets to grow your audience and generate leads for your other online ventures. The beauty of digital products is that they have very low overhead costs. Once you've created the product, there are no printing or shipping costs to worry about. This means that a larger portion of your sales goes directly into your pocket. Now let's talk about pricing. The price of your digital products will depend on the value they provide, the complexity of the design, and the demand in the market. You can start with lower prices to attract customers, and then gradually increase your prices as you gain more experience and positive reviews. So, if you're looking for a way to generate passive income, share your knowledge, and build a business around your passions, creating and selling digital products with Canva could be your perfect opportunity. Finally, let's talk about a business model that allows you to share your knowledge, establish yourself as an expert, and potentially earn a substantial income creating and selling online courses. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would be willing to pay to learn? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to cooking, coding, or even personal finance. Whatever your expertise, Canva can help you create professional-looking course materials that will engage your students and enhance their learning experience. Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements specifically for creating online courses. You can design visually appealing presentations, workbooks, worksheets, and even certificates of completion. You can also use Canva to create marketing materials for your courses, such as social media graphics, email templates, and even promotional videos. Once you've created your course content, you can host it on various platforms, such as Teachable, Thinkific, Podia, or even through your own website. These platforms handle everything from payment processing to course delivery, making it easy for you to focus on creating valuable content and engaging with your students. The earning potential for online courses is incredible. Depending on the topic, the length of the course, and your marketing efforts, you could charge anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s per student. And the best part is that once you've created the course, you can sell it repeatedly, generating passive income for months or even years to come. So, if you're passionate about teaching, want to share your knowledge with the world, and are looking for a business model with high earning potential, creating and selling online courses with Canva could be your path to success. There you have it, folks. 5 simple businesses you can start today with Canva. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication. There are no shortcuts to success, but with the right mindset, hard work, and a little help from Canva, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on making money online. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which of these Canva businesses you're most excited to start. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep building your empire.